Welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. I don't really have any goals for this episode, but I think it'd be nice if I could discover these slimes. And I might have an idea where they are. We just need to make it past this slime on Ember Valley. And for that, we're gonna need a lot of chickens. Sadly, I can't take from here because, well, I have angler slimes to feed. You guys seem to be hungry. Let me feed you guys real quick. Eat, you spooky slimes. Let's see what our shop offers today. It hasn't changed, it seems. Oh well. We shall go on an adventure together to Ember Valley and explore it together. So I want to see new slimes. I have never unlocked those 4 slimes in my playthroughs. I'll probably try and get the Yoloki slime this episode, just to pause the recording for that because it may take multiple hours. I'll unpause when I find it. If that's okay with everyone. Or maybe I will do it next episode. I guess that'd be more reasonable. There's also be able to get tabbies. Like, I need to start ranching way more slimes from this, and well, yeah. Especially boom slimes, so faster speed would be nice. An energy increase would definitely be nice. So yeah. Let's see what this episode has for us to bring. When I go get the slimes from my ranch, I'll probably like pause the recording. To Ember Valley. So I can make episodes a bit more filling, you know. Because I'm having fun while playing, but I don't know if I'm having fun while watching, so yeah, it's raining. Raining on Ember Valley. Isn't this supposed to be the hot area, like with lava and everything? God dang it! You ate the chicken. It's only a matter of time before Terry makes an appearance. Did I hear a chicken somewhere? Oh, right there. Chicken. Delta will get that reference. Hello guys. Some of you are bats. That's nice. Okay, maybe this time we should take the lava dust with us and not just leave it. Well, I mean, there is oil though. I mean, we can check. What do we need it for? We don't currently seem to be needing it. Maybe we need it for even more upgrades, like the higher upgrade tiers. That is very much possible. Hi guys. Briar head. A real wild bird that loves to ramble in the bramble. You really made me say that out loud. It's ridiculous. I'll leave some of these like right next to this guy, so I could come pick him up later. How are you not full yet? How much chicken can you eat? Boy, that's fire. Fire slime, a little lit, like a little campfire, except that it moves and it's a slime. I mean, it's accurate description, I say. A crystal tabby. Nice. Any chickens? Boom slime. Careful, these slimes have been known to That's the best description ever. It exploded the guy that was riding it. You drowning in that? Don't worry, I got you, bro. Okay, the question is there something behind this? Okay, we don't want to figure that out right now, please. Alright. Do I hear a Terry? Look, a ringtail. Those look cool though. Should probably get some on my ranch, but I already have bad combination, so I need to combine something else. So, chickens for this guy. But if I like pause the recording and come back when I have chickens, I hope that works for all of you. So I found some chickens. And it isn't enough. Well, I don't know, do I want to disappear again? I just reappear, I think that'd be a bit awkward. So there's lightning, it's not just rain, it's lightning. Okay. I'll take you guys on a journey to find the rest of the chickens. There's a drone up here. Hi. I never managed to conclude if the prisma waves caused all this lava to erupt to the surface, but I believe it did. The rainbow grass and iridescent rocks, all lovely to see, and the ecosystem seems to coexist with it to some degree. But this lava, this is the breaking point. My guess is it started like it always does. It creeps up a few degrees over the years and you hardly notice, and then one day you realize you're cooking. Oh, I wish I had a dog to pet right now. You can pet a slime. What's this area even? I think I've been here before. What's up, guys? A pod. Magma pool. There is nothing like a hot, relaxing soak in the magma pool if you have fire slime. Yeah, I wanna use a magma pool. Chicken. Another pod. A new area. Potted plants, a collection of various flowers found around Rainbow Island to brighten up any space. That's neat. Chicken. More chicken. 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 This reminds me a lot about the glass desert in the Slime Rancher 1. Ancient ruins. Chicken. Oh. In the water you go. Sorry guys, but it's a strange diamond. Display case. Show off your prized collection of items with this handy display case, perfectly preserving objects for your viewing pleasure. That's neat. Give me a second to get out of this cave somehow. I'll pause it for that. That took surprisingly long. Maybe because I was just too scared to do anything. But anyways, we got chicken and we got a strange diamond. I see another pod. Tall magma clump. Mumbling up from deep underground, these magma clumps give off tremendous amounts of heat. Yeah, then why would I want it on my farm? Let's hope this is enough for a lovely little guy over here. Well, not very little, but big guy. Feast. How big can you get? You're gonna be bigger than that door soon. Mate, explode. That's like your thing, isn't it? Boom slime, you're supposed to explode. I'd feed you that baby chicken, but you wouldn't eat it. I'm so cruel. Okay, maybe it's just missing one. Okay, maybe it's just missing one. A man can dream, okay? Dang, that's hot. Puns. Perry, behave. Perry! Oh, that looks sick! What a ringtail. Got an idea. Well, we look for chicken, so we might as well go with the bat Gordo and feed it a bit as well. It wouldn't hurt anymore, right? At least I hope so. That water seems to be boiling. I wonder what slime can I cook in there. Make honey slime with candy. Just make candy out of honey slime. It's very sweet. Dang, it just said chicken. So wait, where do I go in here? I forgot already. I forgot how cave functions. I am not very smart. What's over here? There we go. There you are. Hi. Have some fruits. Never mind the rabbit. Have you seen any chickens? Hi, little guy. Oh no, there's a Terry in here. Well, that means that this place is gonna die. Rage diving. Wait, what's this? God dang it. Oh, it leads over here. That hurts, you know. One day when I'm just ranching boom slimes, they're all gonna explode simultaneously and I'm gonna die because of it. Hey Terry, we can talk about this. You can behave, right? Terry? Terry? Okay, we cannot talk about this. There's more Terrys, oh god. Chickens! These are the boom slime's favorites, right? So take it twice as much. Explode! How big can you get? You're literally twitching. Where am I going? What am I doing here? Why am I up here? Oh, that's a good question. I just witnessed Terry eat another slime. Terry, you better stop behaving. It just burns a little when you walk in lava. Just a little. No chickens. No chickens. Oh, a pod. Conservatory lamp. These self-powered lamps use mysterious advanced technology so their poles never need to be changed. That'd be useful IRL, you know. Hi, Terry. No, eat them, not me. I am not your food. Chicken. Big guy's eating every chicken here already. Yes. Well, I hope this one is enough. Ah yes, 20 minutes in, well soon 20 minutes in already, like jeez, it doesn't feel like it also has been longer for me because of the pauses, so yeah. But it still feels like I've been playing for 10 minutes. the wonders of making an amazing game. It's that time flies by when you play it. Yo, more chickens! You look cool. Okay, what if we talk about behaving? You didn't behave. Now die. Let the slime see you go. Crystal bat. That's nice. Would you like a chicken? How much more can you eat? God dang it, I see a chicken. Let me up there before it gets eaten. Lightning strike, when nature means business. Okay. While the drama of distant thunderstorms can be a delight to witness, they can cause lightning to rip through the sky and crash into the ground. So far, ranchers that have fancied themselves storm chasers look out for the crackle of the electricity beneath your feet as searing a lightning bolt is hurled on the way. So now I need to look under myself if the ground starts creaking or something, because I'll get struck by lightning. How much damage does it do though? Dying. Mate! Commit explosion! Explode! I shall cast a spell on you. Okay, there is no way it's gonna live after this, right? Breed chickadoo. A breed of chick that's totally bush league. What? Why do you make me say these things? Okay, is this enough, mate? No, is this enough? You are bigger than the door! And I thought ringtail slimes ate a lot. Look at all this guy is, eh? Alright, you. Oh no. Dag. That does not seem like regular lightning. That seems to be like for the glass desert or something. You chicken shall be my savior today. Make that boob slime explode. Thank you. Oh, I did a big kaboom. Oh, I just got hit by lightning. That hurt a lot. 2 pods. Well, I think that was in the first one. Strange diamond. Or was in the second one? Ember Valley portal. A teleport that hacks the ancient warp network on Rainbow Island, allowing one-way travel to Ember Valley. I mean, that's useful, yes. This gate is still sealed too, so I really must have been the first to enter since it was abandoned. It was here that I had my first doubts. I had thought I was talking to engineers, problem solvers, people who could fix what I found, but once we left the labyrinth and met up here, I saw they were smiling. They were excited at the sight of opportunities. The company had sent their money people, not engineers. I don't think they had even considered stabilization. Okay, there we go. Much better. It wasn't long before it all collapsed. So the slimes aren't here. Where are they then? I mean, it could be this place here. It could be beyond this. No, that's where I got the Flora Slime Gordo to explode, right? And this place is still unexplored. Like, maybe if we get the what's called phosphor Gordo to explode, it opens a new area. Hi. This takes some testing. We need to like figure out where are the new slimes. Well, I'll be heading like home now, so I'll pause recording for that. We have returned home. Also, we got a new message at the comm station. Two people. Alright. Yeah, I like old junk. Market link. But yeah, that's quite useful. That's not junk. For a west. It ain't much. Timing bell, that's still good. Alright. So what we need to get next is more like a place for fire slimes. I'll go do that real quick. I still need to buy the walls for it. This game has not changed at all. Of course. Planning on combining like boom slimes with garden slimes. Would that be a good idea? Let's real quick put the fire slimes in place. You guys must have been hungry. Nothing really. Getting anything? Oh, well, gold lord is 400 now. Well, that's something at least. If only I had gold right now. But oh well. I know plort collectors would also be like very good, but I don't feel like I need them really at the moment. So yeah, this works just fine. I'm definitely gonna be growing more water lettuce because of like cotton boom slimes. It's like 5 of you in there and the rest can just get incinerated. You guys can eat other slimes now. Have fun. The sounds you guys make are adorable. It became 9! No! I mean, it is enough for me to start going more waterless, so yeah. That seems to be all. You guys are adorable. Alright, let's go a bit more water with this. For now, you guys can have these. It's been 34 minutes. Whew, more like 40 for me, but maybe 45, yeah. Oh well. Sorry guys. I need the fruits. Everything is just going down in price. Like this place is like full of exclusive meat eaters, nectar eaters, and rocky slimes for some reason. Alright. Have some chicken, I guess. You guys have made a lot of plorts. Thank you. I'll feed all of you after I get like a few more chicken coops and fill out with chicken. The Yolki slime really help because the big egg it can create, which spawns a lot more chickens. Ah, bless me, I guess. Let's real quick go max out water lettuce at the boom slimes. I might need to move the rock slimes to here and replace their coral with like a chicken coop. There we go. Now time to go see what will happen if we blow up the phosphor Gordo. The two other Gordos have given me new areas, so maybe the phosphor Gordo can as well. I mean, isn't a bad theory. Okay, I'm here now, I guess. I don't really want to be here right now. Okay, that was almost certain death. Okay, I guess I have to go through here. Unless... yeah. You there. Eat. You're big. Big, chubby, chubber. What? Yolki slime! This slime always looks at the sunny side up. What? That's how I got it? What? Sammy has returned! Deep brine, salt of earth kind of stuff. Sammy the Yolki slime makes a return. Sammy! My boy! There we go. Elder hen, an old bird whose egg-laying days are over. Easy. Okay, so when we talk about elder roosters, it's just a mean description when it comes to chickens. Mate, that's realistic as hell. But Sammy is back. There's no expecting that. Bro! I get you guys are hungry and all, but you can't just leave the coral. I don't need to just remove a lot of them and... yeah. I'm sorry, Flutter Slaps, I don't think you can stay since you keep doing this. Like, you guys are incredibly difficult to feed, okay? So So let's give the slime see some friends. Bye bye. Bloop bloop. Just a little amount of it that you guys probably won't escape now. I'll keep you guys there because you look pretty. Until I can get another slime to put in there. So we got a Yolki slime. I mean, that was no expect. I was expecting to spend a entire episode looking for that. Bend, oh yes, bend. Like, you are cute. One of my favorite slimes. Nope! Sammy! Sorry, Sammy. Sammy. Boy. Yo, the one of those grew. I'm sorry, ringtail slimes, but these are Gordo, the phosphor Gordo. Okay, you guys can have some of them. You guys won't starve. You guys are hungry as well. Some pomegranate I should do, right? Yo. A pod. Coastal rock retains its smooth ocean-worn surface even when taken out of its natural environment. That's nice. There's a tabby floor for that, so this doesn't give a new area. Wait a minute. This is here. This leads here. Where does this lead? So this place has something in it? I've never been here before. Alright, what is this place? Oh! Whoops! Well, that's the first death. Well, I think that's a good way to end the episode, I guess. But we couldn't find the slimes we initially looked for. But hey, we did something. We found the Yolki slime. Thank you for watching.